Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to answer a question that actually as a general contractor we get asked pretty often, and it's how do I remove a red tag from my property? And I want to give you the simple answer, and I'm going to link at the end to another video with a more long drawn out answer. The basic simple answer is that you have to hire a general contractor, and the general contractor has to send a scope of work and a written plan to the county or to the municipality, city, whatever it is, addressing each point of the violation. By the way, stop work order is the same as a red tag. Those are synonyms. But the general contractor has to address every point in the red tag or stop work order, the violation notice. They have to send a written agreement to do those repairs to the county. Then the county will lift it. They will actually issue a permit for whatever the repairs are, whatever's needed, or whatever, scope has to be brought up. And then they have to do the inspections that are a part of whatever was originally supposed to be permitted and inspected. It may involve, some undoing of previous work and then redoing it later. But the bottom line is you have to hire a general contractor. He has to address all the items in the scope. That said, if you are in the Tampa Bay area or really in the state of Florida and you need help with a red tag or stop work order on your real property, right, your real estate, send us an email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com. We do this professionally. We have a professional permitting staff that all they do is permits. So even if we haven't addressed your municipality before and worked with your municipality, we've done probably over 50 in the state of Florida. It's not a big deal to add on one more. So send an email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com, and our professional permitting team and general contractor would be more than happy to provide what we call red tag remediation services, basically getting you out. If you're in a sticky situation, if you're in trouble for a little code violation or a little red tag, we would be more than happy to help you. As I said, it's a simple process. Basically, the general contractor just has to address it with the county, get this inspection scheduled, and it gets taken care of, and you are no longer tagged. There's no more title situations. You need to sell the property. We can handle this for you if you need help. Again, send that email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com. That is the one that we're looking for these requests to come through. So that said, I do hope you reach out to us. If you're having trouble, let us help you. And if you got video out of it, or if you got value out of this video, obviously you got video out of this video. If you got value out of this video, hit the subscribe button below. It does help me personally a lot, and it helps our company to grow and reach more people. The more people that hit the subscribe, the more people we reach, the more of a budget we have to make videos like this, teaching people about construction and how to have success in construction.